5 days have passed since Kynsailin Phanbuh vanished from his residence in Lummawbah, Block 3, Upper Shillong. An FIR was filed at the Jhalupara Outpost, prompting local residents, family and friends to initiate search efforts since his disappearance on the 1st of March 2024. On the morning of March 5, 2024, the body of Kynsailin Phanbuh was discovered near the Umshyrpi river beneath the bridge. The authorities were immediately alerted, prompting the police, accompanied by the Special Rescue Team and the State Disaster Response Force, to swiftly respond. The collaborative efforts led to the retrieval of the body, which was then handed over to the deceased's family.
चलता है